Alright guys, so I'm just mucking around in the car for a little bit this evening, and I see Pete put a post on Ford Ranger owners about little things to do, like mods to pass the time, because we're all at home and whatnot. This is something I was actually thinking about doing, because I've been stuck at home for like 2 weeks and probably be stuck a lot longer. I might do a little, not a series, but just a little collection of little things, bits and pieces that you can get on with and not really need to go and get tools, order stuff, just little bits that you can do with just junk you've got laying around, little things. You won't need a great deal of tools to do it, and maybe even if you're making some bits and pieces, it'll just be out of scraps or an old bracket, and you only need like a vice and a file and a hacksaw and a drill. But yeah, I'll be sure to upload some more bits and pieces with regards to making things. They'll be little things, but it'll keep you busy. Right, the other thing I was going to do, that was it. So I was going to do a video on dual battery, not necessarily fitting because I've already got a dual battery setup, but going over it all again, because I'm going to run bigger gauge wiring and a proper split charge setup. I won't go into too much detail, but the setup I've got at the moment is a bit archaic. It works, but it could be better. There's a lot of stuff that I've thought around this time and thought, well, actually, we can take the guesswork out of that. So I'll go through it again. I've already got the batteries mounted in the back. I've already got a cable run and some buzz bars and stuff in the back and some distribution points and fuse and things. But I'm going to try and order some more cable and try and get some 35mm square cable, and I will rerun and I'll video that, and I'll do a little walkthrough, and we'll run a fused spur from the battery all the way down to the back batteries, which needs to be fused as well, I might add, and then we'll incorporate a split charge system with a relay. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to go for a VSR relay or an isolator solenoid box with a little controller. I've got to decide what I'm going to do there. But the last system I was running, when I didn't have the canopy, and this was years back, I just had a solenoid, and that was triggered by a smart relay from a caravan. And basically, once the main battery got above 13 something volts, that sent a signal, because the relay was only rated like 10 amps. That sent a signal to the solenoid, big 100 amp solenoid, that closed, and then fed all the charge to the back batteries. I got rid of that. I sold the toolbox and everything else that was in it, and I've rigged this up for the time being. So that's on like the to-do list of getting another, either a VSR like I say or a solenoid setup, and plumbing all that in, doing it proper. Like I say, I'm going to need to order some 35mm cable, a bit of ground cable as well, and maybe some Anderson plugs, because going up to the next size cable means that you can't fit them in the Anderson 50s. I've got to go up to 175 connector, so I'll get some of them ordered and then I'll do a video. Right,